Meet the legend. The Gold Legend. This revolutionary device is about to change the future of gold and precious metal detection, thanks to the advanced technology provided by Geoground, which enables you to reach the farthest and most mysterious treasures in the recesses of the ground. Package contents. The main unit, smart sensor, wireless handle, search antennas, device charger, user manual. Device installation. First, install the smart sensor into its socket in the main unit of the device correctly. Second, install the wireless handle unit on the bottom side of the main unit of the device. Third, install the search antennas in their designated place on the device and then rotate the antennas in a clockwise direction. After installing the device and before starting to use it, make sure to charge the main unit of the device and the wireless handle until the color of the charging LED changes from red to blue. We also recommend that the device be in a flat and horizontal position when turning on the device for the first time. Open the device screen unit and press and hold the power button. First, you will see the main screen. Main screen explanation. Search systems. Long-range system. Free mode system. Smart depth system. Ionic System, Bionic System. On the status bar located at the top of the main screen, there are laser status, which can be turned on by pressing and holding the laser button on the keypad. The laser will also automatically activate when searching through the Bionic System. LED light status, which can be turned on or off by pressing the LED button. General sound status, which can be controlled in the device settings. Language indicator. The device program user interface comes in 8 international languages, which we can also change from the device settings. Clock status, which can be adjusted from the device settings. Battery status, which displays the current charging level of the device battery. Long-range system. Install the handle, antennas, and smart sensor into the device, with the need to unlock the wireless handle. Select Long-Range System from the main menu and press OK to enter the system. The system screen that includes system settings will appear. The user must adjust all settings according to the type of target, type of soil, distance, and depth of the target he is looking for. 1. Target. In this section, the user must select the type of target he is looking for in the surrounding area. Use the left-right arrow keys on the device keypad to change the type of target you want to focus your search on. The device is designed to search for 11 different types of targets. These target types are bronze, cavities, copper, diamonds, gemstones, gold ore, iron, platinum, silver, gold veins, gold treasures. 2. Soil. In this section, the user must select the soil type of the search area from the list that includes 7 different types of soil. Soil types are high mineral, low mineral, normal, rocky, stony, wet, sand. 3. Distance. In this section, the user can search for all possible targets within the range he defines, from 1 meter to a maximum of 3,000 meters. By long pressing the left-right arrow keys, the values will change faster. 4. Depth. From here, we can determine the required depth that we're looking for. We can specify a vertical depth of up to a maximum of 40 meters underground. 5. Search. After selecting the desired settings, go to the Search section. Here we can see all the settings you specified in the previous sections. By pressing the OK key on the keypad, the search screen will display. Second, device calibration. After entering the search screen, a warning window will appear. Press the OK button on the keypad or the Start button on the top of the handle to start the calibration and enter the search screen. Go to the search area and keep the device in a flat, horizontal position without tilting it to any side. Here we can calibrate the balance of the device using the balance indicator drawn on the screen. Make sure that the device's balance indicator, red line, is on the green mark in the middle of the indicator. We see in the middle of the screen the results of the ongoing search process according to the previously chosen settings. In addition, at the bottom, the target type, which was pre-selected in the system settings. The device will rotate around its axis in the direction of the signals it receives from the potential target. Third, search method according to the zigzag path in the event that the device does not rotate. In the case of the initial or normal search, that is, when there are no targets or signals picked up by the device in the current search area, we must always advance according to the zigzag path in order for the device to capture and analyze as many signals as possible in all directions of the surrounding area. We always recommend starting from the northern region of the target search area until the device begins to rotate around its axis. The user here must always follow the direction of the device's rotation, and then we will notice that the device is leading us to a point or a certain direction. We keep following the direction of rotation of the device until the device begins to rotate around its axis for more than 90 degrees. Then we put a mark at this point, and we go back in the opposite direction slowly until the device rotates around its axis again for more than 90 degrees, and we put a mark at this point as well. We repeat this process from different directions of the search area, putting a mark at every point where the device rotates. we will notice that it has begun to form a rough outline of the target area. We move away a little from the drawn area and start heading from the northern side towards it. And at every point where the device rotates for more than 90 degrees, we draw a new transverse line. We repeat this process from the four sides of the target area. We will see that it begins to form a square or rectangular drawing for this area. Let's say this region is X. The process of verifying the target area. We start moving from the area X a few meters towards the north and define a new point, A. And then we advance from the right and left of this point towards the area X. If the direction of rotation of the device in both cases is towards the area X, then this means that the area X is the possible area for the presence of the target. We always recommend proceeding as slowly as possible while searching in this case, in order to better define the target area. We repeat the above-mentioned process in more than one different direction for the potential target area X. Free mode system. Install the wireless handle, antennas, and smart sensor into the device with the need to unlock the wireless handle lock. Select the free mode system from the main menu and press the OK key to enter. Here we can customize the frequency value we want accurately, instead of choosing the target type from the automatic list as in the long-range system. We complete the remaining settings, such as the soil type, the maximum distance and depth of the desired target, as in the long-range system. And start the search according to the zigzag path also mentioned in the long-range system. Smart Depth System. Install the handle, antennas, and sensor into the device with the need to unlock the wireless handle lock. After completing the search using the previous systems, long range and free mode, we mark and define the shape of our previously drawn area. Then we mark the center point of the selected target area so that this point is in the middle of the target area. We're going to use this system to calculate the approximate depth of the target below this point. After entering the system screen, a message will appear asking you to stand over the central point of the target. We stand over the central point of the target and press the Start button on the handle. And we make sure that the device is properly balanced, that is, in a flat and horizontal position without tilting to any side. Then we start moving forward towards the corner of the first path, and as we move forward, with each step, we have to press the Start button on the handle. We will notice in the corner of the screen the number of steps we have walked and the direction of the path we are taking. Every path we take ends when the device starts turning right or left around its axis. When turning the device, a message will appear to us stating that we must return to the central target point. We return to the central point of the target and press the Start button on the handle to start the second path. We follow the previously mentioned steps in the second path, followed by the third, and finally the fourth path. After completing the 4 paths, a message will appear indicating that we have